beautiful souls, how are you all doing? Welcome back to La Paz. I hope you liked the last video and I hope you have subscribed to the channel right now. And if you haven't, please go ahead, take a moment and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. So today I have another unboxing video for y'all. I have got this amazing money and the law of attraction card deck for y'all. I haven't opened this deck as of now. I'm going to unbox it with y'all. After that, I'm going to also do a mini pick a card reading for y'all as usual with 3 piles. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll be happy to connect with you in the comment section below. And if you want a personalized tarot reading from me or any angel card reading or a graphology session, you can connect with me on my Instagram page and we can take it further from there. So now let's begin with unboxing this beautiful deck. So guys, let's start with unboxing this beautiful card deck. So this is, as what I understand from reading the back and the front cover, these are different than the normal oracle cards that we have. These are kind of the law of attraction cards. We will also have to unbox it to see what is inside the card, but I am sure that they are a little different from the normal oracle card decks. So let's start. So these are money and the law of attraction cards, and they are a 60 card deck. Generally, oracle card is generally a 42 or a 44 card deck, but this is a 60 card deck, and this has been designed by Esther and Jerry Hicks, the teachings of the Abraham. We have all heard about Esther Hicks, in the Law of Attraction series. So let's start unboxing this beautiful money and the Law of Attraction oracle cards. So the box is quite sturdy, and as usual I have kind of bought this deck from the Warden Book House in Mumbai. So let's read what this has to say. So it says, "Dear friends, while money is not absolutely essential to your experience, to most people money and freedom are synonymous. And since an intense aware of your right to be free is at the very core of that which you are, it follows. Therefore, your relationship with money is one of the most important subjects of your life experience. And so, it is no wonder that you have such strong feelings about the subject of money. It is our expectation that you ponder on these cards every day. A new point of attraction will bring to be activated within you, bringing not only more money into your life experience, but evidence of your absolute freedom as well. Our love, Esther and Jerry." So what these cards are going to bring to us is like a new perspective or an approach that you have to build towards money. They will give you an approach, a hope, a direction in which you probably have to drive your mindset towards money, because more in our country, specifically in India, if you have too much money with you, there are negative emotions attached within you as well as your surroundings. So these cards are going to bring to you a fresh hope, a fresh direction in which we need to think and redirect our thoughts of money towards. So let's begin. First I'm going to kind of show you the cards, and then we will do a mini pick a card reading about what money and the law of attraction has to offer you. Right? So we start with the reading. So we start with the unboxing. So the first card says my life story and the law of attraction. So this is the front card, and then you have a small note written at the back. So probably I'm going to just keep it like this. So this is the second card. I will tell my story as I want it to be. They are cute illustrations. Whatever I desire, I can acquire. What a beautiful affirmation, isn't it? Achieve success, and achieving success is my natural birthright. Wow, I think we can use this card deck as an affirmation towards money and other things as well. So I'm quite liking this. My every story is attracting its vibrational match. I am loving the affirmations already. I am the creator of my own life experiences. Money is not the root of evil or happiness. A kind reminder to all of us. I am the attractor of my experience. I hope you can read it. And also, the cards are of very high and good quality. They are glossy yet sturdy. I am a vibrational being in a vibrational universe. Energy is vibrational. My attention to unwanted attracts more unwanted. A kind reminder again. The law of attraction adds power to both problems and solutions. It is whom we have to decide. Wow. The better it gets, the better it gets. I think we can totally use this as affirmation decks as well. So I've got an idea from this right now that sometime on my Instagram page I am going to put these affirmations, and they are going to kind of help us all. I am developing the skill to direct my thoughts. And I kind of like the artwork also. It is very clean, crisp and clear. It is very, very simple yet very classy and elegant. And somehow cute too. I have control over the thoughts I think. Yes, we all have the key to our thoughts. My financial success does not require hard work. Of course, it requires hard work, but it requires smart work too. Money isn't everything, but the better my story gets, the better my life gets. So this has 60 cards as we discussed. So of course it's taking a while for us to see all the cards. I am receiving the essence of what I am giving. Isn't that true actually? I can follow the trails of good feeling thoughts. Every morning, if we can just pick up one card from this, I think our intention for the day will be sorted. I can earn money by doing what I love to do. Life is always working out for me. The story I tell is the basis of my life. So yeah, these were the cards. Now we are going to do a mini pick a card reading as to what the money and the law of attraction cards have to tell us, like what is the universe's and the angel message for us for things related to law of attraction and money. So for you, I have three choices as always. I have 3 rings this time, and all are 3 pretty rings. The first is this blue ring. I hope you can see it clearly. The second is this beautiful looking ring. It's so classy. And the third is this shell looking like ring. So I'm going to bring a close-up of these 3 choices in front of you right now. You can probably close your eyes and meditate on this card on these rings as usual, and open your eyes and see which ring are you most resonating to. Just close your eyes and just say to angels and universe that what law of attraction money related message do I want to receive right now, and open your eyes and you will be attracted to one of the rings. If you are attracted to more than one ring, the universe wants to give you more than one message. So go ahead, there is no problem with it. So now we are going to this pile 1 who have chosen this beautiful blue ring. I'm a teal blue ring. So I'm going to keep this aside and we are going to choose one card for you. I'm just going to randomly pick a card. So nothing is more important than that I feel good. So the message here for you is, you have to feel good about money, you have to feel good thoughts, you have to feel good feeling. Only then you are going to attract positivity, good wealth, abundance, prosperity in your life. So now let's see what has been written for you. Whenever you are feeling less than good, if you will stop and say, nothing is more important than that I feel good, I want to find a reason now to feel good, you will find an improved thought. Anytime if you feel negative emotion, you are in the mode of resisting something that you want, and that resistance takes a toll on you. It takes a toll on your physical body. It takes a toll on your amount of wonderful things that you are allowing to come into your experience. So, the cards here are telling you that today, whenever right now, if you're feeling low or if you're not feeling that great, just find one reason to feel good. It can be as small as having a cup of coffee with your colleagues in the office. It can be, as small as going to the local train after 11 months. It could be as small as having a slice of pizza, or it can be as small as meditating for 5 minutes, or it can be just breathing the fresh air. You have to find that reason to feel good, and if you find one reason to feel good, universe will give you 3 more reasons to feel good. And similarly, your mood will automatically be uplifted, and then you are only going to attract good and positive things, which will indirectly increase abundance, wealth, prosperity in your life. So this also means that if you are not feeling good about money currently, if you are feeling that you do not have enough money to pay your rent, if you do not have enough money or enough income in your life, the cards are telling you at least have a good job in hand, which is giving you a steady income. At least you have a money to have the basic necessities of life. At least you have money to eat 2 meals in a day. So just be grateful and find small reasons about money, and it is going to bring in more money for you. So pile 1, this was your pick a card reading of this unboxing video. I hope you resonated, and if you did, please drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to connect with you in the comment section below. Thank you. Keep coming back to Lapas. So pile 2, here is the beautiful ring that you have chosen. I am quickly going to shuffle cards and pick a card for you. The card that you have got is I can have money and freedom too. So it says that you can earn money, you can have all the abundance in life, and also enjoy that freedom. You do not have to be guilty about it. Let's see what has been written behind. It says, a feeling of being overwhelmed is your indicator that you are denying yourself to access to all the manner of cooperation that could assist you if you are not disallowing it. As you begin to feel freer regarding the expenditure of your time and money, doors will open. People will come to assist you, refreshing the productive ideas will occur to you, and the circumstances and events will unfold. As you change the way you feel, you will get the access of the energy that creates the world. This is there for you. It is there for you, ready access at all times. So cards are telling you that don't be in a denial mode, or don't be in a mode where you are not allowing other people to kind of help you or move ahead in life. So please allow other people to come into your life. Don't be in a denial mode and kind of open avenues for you. I will probably give you here my own experience. I never thought I'm going to open a YouTube channel. It was only my teacher and my best friends who've supported me in this journey and kind of pushed me. So they have channeled me here, and I have allowed myself to open to this. So don't restrict yourself, don't limit yourself. If you allow yourself to open up enough, new doors of income generation, new modes of abundance, prosperity, money related activity will flow into your life. So yes, don't be in a denial mode or disallowance mode. Just probably allow the life to unfold you and let other people help you out. So group 2, this was your message from the deck Money and the Law of Attraction. I hope you resonated, and if you did, please come back to the comment section and drop a comment below. It will mean a lot to me. So finally, group 3, we are here with your ring that you have chosen, the beautiful Gomti Chakra shell looking ring. We will keep this here aside, and let's pick a card for you, what the universe and the angels have to tell you about the law of attraction and money. Deck that has come, like the card that has come for you is I am the attractor of my experience. This card simply says that whatever you are experiencing right now is what you have attracted. This has also been said in The Secret that like attracts like. So whatever you're thinking will come into reality if you give it so much power. So only think good things about money, that you are going to get this project, or you are going to get an increment, or you are going to get new business, or you are going to attract amazing clients who are going to pay you on time, so and so forth. So attract what you want to experience. Now let's see what has been written behind. You are meant to live an expansive, exhilarating, good feeling experience. It was your plan when you made a decision to become focused in your physical body in this time-space reality. You were born knowing that you are a powerful being, that you are good, that you are the creator of your experience, and the law of attraction is the essence of what is like unto itself is drawn, is the basis of the universe, and you knew it that it would serve you well. So it has. So like I said, you have to attract, it is saying that you have to be an attractor. You have to attract good things. For that attraction, you need to think good. You have to believe that you are going to get the best. You are going to get a best lifestyle. You can expand that business. You can have that luxurious lifestyle. You can always feel good. We might all have low days and bad days, but how we respond to that low days is what makes us. I can say that, oh my god, I had such a terrible day, but we can all say that, it was just a terrible day today, but tomorrow is going to be amazing. I am going to create that day tomorrow. So we can all choose to respond in a way if we have certain low phase or a bad day, but always think good, attract good. And for attracting good things, you need to think good and believe that you can achieve only the best things in life. So group 3, this was your pick a card reading from the unboxing video. I hope you resonated, and if you did, please come back and leave a comment below. I will be waiting for you to read those comments and happy to chat with you. Thank you. So guys, this was the mini pick a card reading and the unboxing of this beautiful deck. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please like this video and share it with your friends and family. It is going to mean a lot to me. Also, I will see you in my next video. Until then, as I always say, be kind, be non-judgmental, and always care and love unconditionally. Take care. See you next time.